Hey, how's it going? So today we are going to be doing the LeetCode 10 regular express matching. So given an input string and pattern, implement a regular expression matching with support for dot and star, where dot matches any single character and star matches 0 or more of the preceding elements. The matching should cover the entire input string, not partial. So this will return false and this will return true because it can be two A's and it can be true. And this is true because A match with dot, and then when we compare B and star, then so it can mean like whatever number of the character preceding it. So it can be any number from A to Z, and if we choose the dot to represent B, then it can also this will also match. So it can return true. And in this example, if C star means 0 number of C, then we compare AAB with A star B, and A is matched with A, so we compare AB with star B. And then, actually, when we compare AB with A star B, then A star can be 2 number of A's. So we compare B to B and it's matching, so we return true. And you can try this and it return false. So for the algorithm, we're going to use dynamic programming, and the algorithm basically initialize a 2D array and find some properties. So when the piece index is a dot or it's matching the S character, then we just use the previous one. If it's a star, then we do something else. The detailed algorithm, I will link a video down below. It's made by someone named Tushar, and I think he made the best video explain the algorithm, so I don't want to repeat myself here. He really did a very, very good job. So what I want to share here is just a Python version of the solution, and so you should at this point maybe pause my video and go back to his video. And again, I will leave a link down below. So basically the idea is initialize a 2D array and initialize the dp00 to be true. This means that if S is an empty string, P is an empty string, it should be true. And this part is like initialization part, because you will cover some corner cases such as empty string with maybe let's say C star. So let me ask you, if these two strings, are they a match? Yes, they're a match because C star can be represented as 0 number of C. So this essentially can be an empty string, and this is an empty string. But when we do our initialization, we initialize everything as false. So the zeroth row are all false except the very first one. So it will give you the wrong answer if you don't do the step. So basically, the step is important to cover corner cases like this. And another question is that why do I get one more when I initialize? It's because dpij represent at length I in string S and length j in string p. So ij is actually length, not the index. And also we add 1 because we need some buffer, because in the main function you can see that a lot has to deal with j minus 1 and I minus 1. So you need that extra row and column at the top and at the left, so that then you can do the math. You can subtract. Otherwise, if you don't have this one, how can you get your first line and first column's number, right? Okay, so in the main function, you loop through the 2D array. If it's like if the string S and string P is matching, or if string P is at the dot, it means that whatever